Hello, welcome to part 4 of... Hope everybody had a decent weekend. Today we're going to be tying one of the most useful and well-known of sailors' knots, the square knot or reef knot. So the reef knot, as its name suggests, is used to join two ends of rope, most frequently around a large object such as the foot of a reefed sail. It's become famous, I think, partly because it's got a particular symmetry and beauty about it. And you'll often see it on displays of rope work on the walls of seaside pubs. It's also an important knot to learn because it will form the basis of a few other important knots that we may get to further on in this series. So there's two main methods of tying the reef knot. The first one involves tying two ends together. If you've got two ends of rope like this, we're going to count the right hand end as the important one, so we're going to follow where that end goes, and everything is going to be done with this end of rope. It's going to first of all cross over the left hand end and underneath to form that. Then this important end that we started with, this one here, is then going to cross over the top again, underneath and out, to form these two interlocking loops of rope. And there's that symmetry I was talking about earlier. I'll show that one more time. So this is the working end, over the top and under, and again over the top and under, and pull tight, and there's your reef knot. Now the other way of tying the reef knot involves a situation where you have a bight of rope, or a loop, the middle part of a piece of rope like that. And so what we're going to do is we're going to form exactly the same shape by tucking this end of rope in through the hole, around the back like that, so it's down here, then back through the hole and out again, to form those two interlocking loops. So here we go, through there, round the back, you can see it starting to form those two loops, back through the hole, and then when you pull it all tight, there's your reef knot. I'll show you that one more time. Starting off with a bight of rope like that, up through the hole, round the back through the hole again, and pull it tight. And that method of tying is perhaps a bit more of a useful one to learn, because we're going to use that again very soon to learn a different knot, but it uses that same principle of joining an end of rope to a bight of a different rope. So have a go at both of those different ways of tying that, and I'll see you next time.